Hello, everyone. Welcome to our classroom, your new home and where you will be learning for this year. I am Zaire O'Neil, but you can call me Coach Z, and I am excited that you are here. Today, I will share how our classroom will run, from the routines we will follow each day to the tools that we will use. By the end, you will know exactly what to expect and how we'll learn and grow together. In our class, we focus on three big expectations: respect, responsibility, and readiness. With respect, we want to listen while others are talking, use kind words, and care for our classroom. With responsibility, we want to be able to own our work, our choices, and learn from our mistakes. With readiness, we want to arrive prepared with materials and a positive attitude. With these three R's, we can literally become a classroom that is a supportive place where everyone can shine. To turn our expectations into everyday actions, we have five clear rules. Kind words and actions. We want to be able to be respectful, we want to stay polite, and we want to keep our hands and feet to ourselves. We want to also stay on task, keep your eyes on your own work, and keep focused on your task and avoid distractions. Raise your hand. When you need to speak or need to be helped, just go ahead and raise your hand and I will try to accommodate you quickly. Second to last is come prepared. Bring your pencils, notebooks, and math materials with you to school and home every day. And lastly, I want you to be able to use technology responsibly. These devices and technology and platforms that we will be using are educational based and class related. So we want to make sure that we are using them responsibly. In the case that consequences occur or may need to take place, the first offense will be a verbal redirection of adjusted behavior. The second offense will be us having the discussion with a one-on-one in a one-on-one setting. Third may be a possible seat change and contacting a parent. And if this becomes an ongoing issue, we're going to involve school administration for further actions. Key classroom procedures. Things that we really want to focus on is entering the classroom quietly, sitting down, and starting our warm-up activity. We want to make sure that we start a warming environment so that when we come in, we can get straight to being on task and eliminate all distractions. If you need to use the restroom, just go ahead and raise your hand and ask for permission. But remember, only one person will be allowed out of the classroom at a time. When you're getting help, try to solve it on your own first, but if you need additional help, you can ask a classmate, and then you can also ask me if you guys are still confused and need redirecting. With technology use, we want to be able to use many different tools, Google Classroom, Kahoot, and other virtual things that allow us to have fun while still learning and creating and completing our tasks. While there are restrictions of access, we also want to make sure that we are following the rules and guidelines for this engagement and for these tools. I have a app where I will also be able to track your computers, so any misuse will also create restriction of access. Please make sure we are using this responsibly and that we will make sure we take care and keep our technology new and working. Classroom rewards. In our classroom, we believe in recognizing and celebrating good behavior and hard work. So we want to make sure to reward you guys with positive actions, such as verbal praise, high five, and recognition of efforts, earning class points for rules and procedures, and they can be redeemed for privileges. Privileges may be being able to change your seat, having extra computer time, or even choosing what activities we will participate in for do nows and things of that sort. Excuse me. We want to make sure that we are supporting each other. We are more than classmates and students and teachers. We're a team and we have to support one another. We want to make sure that if we come to a point where we may be confused in independent practice, that you can offer help to someone or use and ask someone for help as well. Two brains are better than one. I'm also here for any questions, extra practice, and just to listen. But we must understand that we need a growth mindset, which means that mistakes are going to happen and they come with us and they create an opportunity for us to grow and learn from those mistakes. These things matter because you might wonder why we invest time in expectations and routines, but they allow us more learning time, fewer distractions, and greater confidence. A well-run classroom means more time exploring, creating, and discovering all while having fun. Thank you guys.